14 hygiene supplies that all preppers should store. During a crisis, several problems could arise as far as personal hygiene goes. Should there be a natural disaster such as a flood or earthquake, there is a very real possibility that the roads may be impassable. Getting to the store can be difficult, and even if you did get there, the store may be closed or, in a worst-case scenario, totally destroyed by the impact of the disaster. If all you have at home is an almost empty tube of toothpaste and half a roll of toilet paper, the next few days are going to be uncomfortable, to say the least. Having enough supplies for your personal hygiene need is more than just about your health and well-being. It's also a form of stress relief. If you're stuck at home because the roads are flooded or the shelves in the store are empty due to people grabbing whatever they could in a panic, knowing that you have the basic creature comforts such as toilet paper, wet wipes, mouthwash, etc. will help to ease your mind. We have a list of products that you should store in case of a crisis. Most of these items last a long time, so it shouldn't be much of a hassle as far as rotating your supplies go. Let's look at the list. Toothbrushes, one for each family member. You may wish to keep a few extras in case you have guests. Mouthwash. Toothpaste, one big tube for adults and one for the kids, if you have any. One box of dental floss. Toilet paper, enough to last you a few weeks. 2 bars of soap. It's better to use soap bars rather than liquid soap that finishes sooner. Wet wipes, enough to last you for 3 to 4 weeks. 1 bottle of shampoo. This should last you for a month. Hand moisturizer and hand sanitizer. Sanitary pads. This is one of those items that is very handy. If someone is wounded, sanitary pads can be used as improvised dressing to staunch the bleeding. That said, women may want enough supplies to last them anywhere from 3 to 4 months. Towels. During a crisis, there may be a water shortage, and you may only be able to use wet towels to wipe yourself down. So have sufficient small towels for all the members in your family. Portable toilet. In the event you run out of water to flush your toilet, you can use a portable toilet that uses disposable waste bags. That will make cleanup easier. Q-tips and nail clippers. Shaving cream and razors, if you use them. Besides these 14 products, you may have a skincare routine or other hygiene products that you use daily or frequently. Take note of what these are and have extra supplies of them. Store as much of them as space will allow. During a crisis, you can always barter the extra supplies for items that you may need. Personal hygiene products will always be in demand when there is a shortage of them. As a savvy prepper, you'll understand the value in storing these items.